So now I'm going to show you how I organize my children's schoolwork and their artwork, anything that they bring home from school. So what we do in the beginning of the year is I take the boys to the store and they pick out a folder. Each one picks out something different. And then I label the folder, the year, and their age. So this one is 2007, 2008, and my child's name so that they know. So 10 years from now, they can come back, see what grade they were in, what year it was, and all the fun things that they did in school. So when they bring home their Picassos and all their fun artwork and their A+ grades, I hang them on the refrigerator. But then after a couple weeks, I put them in their folders because each one is labeled with the year, their grade that they're in that year, and their name. So we keep them organized that way, each one per child. And then at the end of the year, I just put these back with my other folders. And again, they don't take up much room. So it's very simple and very easy. And it doesn't take up a lot of room because we all know that no matter who you are, space is always an issue for storage. So folders don't take up much space. So this has worked for us. I hope this can work for you.